Welcome back to another episode of Ratchet and Clank Rift Apart.
If there's anywhere in the universe we'll find a part to fix you up, it's here.
I hope you are right.
When we last left off,
the Dimensionator seems to have caused
we were here at this very neon-looking place.
Don't worry, Rose. I'll get you fixed up. Promise.
Which I do wonder. There we go. I already got a pocket dimension. Oh. Platform Pro. That's not gonna stop me. Easy peasy. Let's see what we get. Oh, that's a new one. I don't guess there's any other secret things in here. Oh, pro parkour. Alright. So I want to say I thought there was another portal looking like that. Maybe it was just that. Ah, that's what I saw. It's just an effect. All the soda cans. Well, look at it is. Our favorite arms dealer. The lightning rod.
Is that thunder I hear? Rain? No.
This could be a fun one.
Lightning rod. Finish them to send the lightning.
Chain lightning.
Teammates. Upgrade the lightning rod.
Oh, here we go.
An even greater, more horrific.
I just walked in front of the TV. Okay, that's interesting.
Looks like you got enough of that beauty.
I think I liked the ricochet though, which this is like way early. I think I really like the ricochet though.
The gift that keeps on giving, as long as you keep pulling the trigger, that is.
And we'll have to use some of this stuff. Yes. To use some of this stuff before I really decide on what we're gonna upgrade. More raritarium.
Do you spend much time here?
Yeah, this place is kind of a safe haven for the
It's
resistance.
like the black market, I guess.
The Emperor didn't find.
Oh, it's a collectible.
Dimensional gas pumping battleplex. I will take your coat and also all your weapons.
No.
I think I'd be used to that by now.
Thanks for coming to Zerky's, where we slaughter with a smile.
Zerky's
I
usually
really
behind
can't use
bar.
my weapon.
He'll know where to find the pirate with his spare parts.
Are you okay, sir?
Been a while since I was on shore.
How's the noise? Oh, they got a mechanical bull. Oh, I was only the mechanical bull.
No.
It's a big sheep.
Namaste, and peace be with you.
Namaste.
Hey, Zerky, have you seen our favorite first mate anywhere? I need a signal booster.
Well.
No.
Meet again, my chérie.
Give me the part.
Did you follow me here? Another fruitless effort to win my
Got a
affection?
nice little pirate.
Give me the part, Pierre.
Time and again,
Pierre.
again, my heart is taken. And yet...
Rusty Pete?
Rusty? Mon Dieu. Your friend has a saucy tongue. My name is Pierre Lafayette. Pirate extraordinaire.
I'll fight you for it.
What?
Zerky's is a violence-free zone. Take it outside.
They're fighting.
I am more lover than fighter. But for you, I will always make an exception.
Ready to kick some robo-butt?
I have many issues with that question.
Uh,
But why not? Where do we sign up to battle?
There's a console on that big wall of windows over there. It's cool. I'll
a
show you.
fight. Oh, and I could get costume pieces. Okay. Oh. So this is a good place to try the ricochet. Oh, that's cool. But I don't know if it is the best. Yeah, I think that's gonna be a very situational item. You cannot beat the start pistol. Start pistol too strong.
Are coming through rifts.
Gotta admire them for always finding new ways to cheat.
Although I guess I'm curious, how are these people utilizing rifts? Do they just have the rift technology in this world? I guess it'd really be this universe. Whoops. Alright, I need to lock in here. I'm taking too many hits. I think Mr. Fungi would be good here. Where's it at? Right there. Mr. Fungi, have fun. Got another one over there. Mr. Fungi, do your job. Good job, Mr. Fungi. You are killing it. So much so, I'm gonna keep you going. Alright, where's the next one? So many soda cans. Alright, pop. He almost hit me. Could have been bad. Mr. Fungi doing all the work. Let me get all my money. See, I might would use the ricochet here. Alright. Wave 5, we get a boss. Oh, that's really easy to handle them, the ricochet. It's just such a fun. Don't worry, I still got a gun for you. I'm on to manage a lot here. Mr. Fungi. Go have fun. So I definitely think the ricochet is going to get upgraded. It just proved its worth right there. But I definitely think I need to find more Raritarium. Sake Blue!
In my ankle! Ah! But have no fear. My less attractive stand-double will battle in my stead. What?
Oh, okay, we got a boss. Whoops, and I walked right into that. Do I have Ricochet do? See how much this Ricochet does. So Ricochet is definitely not meant for that. Oh. Alright, starter pistol, come do your job.
Why am I surprised? Pierre's running from me. Doesn't matter. I'm getting that signal booster. Looks like you're gonna need a new partner, Pierre.
Just because he's being horribly treated does not mean he will win.
Oh.
Cannot argue with that.
Alright. Nope, iframes, come on. Spam away. Oh, we're out. Airtron Collider! Oh, that was nice. Iframe out of there, iframe out of there. Iframe out. Did I get anything? I didn't. Ricochet. We did it. Look at that health. We did it. Nicely done.
But ow! Eventually and dramatically, I will get my revenge. But here, take your back.
Nicely done. Let's get Clank a new arm.
Ooh.
Hmm.
Eureka! She's done it.
Ratchet, can you hear me? Ratchet, can you hear me?
Oh.
Clank, are you okay? Where are you? I saw that Lombax take you in.
I am fine. In fact, I am with the Lombax now.
Hey, I'm Ribbit.
What?
Hi. Wow, this is...
Oh, wait, okay. I have to tell you something. Dr. Nefarious just crowned himself Emperor of this dimension.
He did what? No. I've got my hands full with my own Nefarious.
That's the thing.
We've got to get him and us out of here, but...
Without the Dimensionator...
I think we have to build a new one.
Oh.
I met a prophet from Savali named Gary.
Ugh,
He would know what to do.
my boy Gary.
I'm only a few sectors away from there. I can go check it out.
What can we do?
Do you have the planet Blizzard Prime in this dimension?
Yeah? Why?
We can locate the phase quartz used to power the Dimensionator there. If I am right, we will be able to recreate the device in no time.
I guess we better get started then. I'm glad you're okay, buddy.
You too, Ratchet.
Be careful,
Careful
out
out
there.
there.
Hmm.
Wow. Another Lombax.
Let's build this thing.
Oh. That's not good. Are we about to get jumped when we come out of here?
Bet we could win the Bronze Cup before heading to Blizzard Prime. Wouldn't mind the extra bolts to gear up.
Oh. We could do that. Oh. Oh, I can get a gold bolt. Oh, okay, so I did that, did that. Defeat 25 goons using only the Enforcer. I don't think I even own the
So this hit
Enforcer.
list of the Emperor's.
Maybe it'll give it to me? Yep. Okay, let's jump. Iframe. Oh, iframe, iframe, iframe. Nice, get ammo. Rift. Rift. Alright, so it seems like I gotta do both barrels for it to be effective. Let's go over here. I think these guys might be the hard one. Oh, I get ammo. Alright, let's go back. Well done is right. Alright, there's no ammo here. Yep. I cannot shoot that. Pull, pull, pull. Yeah, it probably would have helped if I upgraded this before trying this challenge. But it's okay. We are here. Oh. No. I say the flyers are definitely the biggest problem. That's 6 health, that's not good. Pull, pull, pull. Ooh. I can finish it off by killing everyone here. And get health. Let's go. We did it. All the soda cans to me. That's a lot. That is a lot of soda cans. Alright. Finish the speed core. Okay, this shouldn't be bad. I don't think. Oh. Okay, we're riding the beetle. Let's go. Oh, there's explosives. That's why it's a problem. Alright. Alright. Oh, wow. I would like to come back to this city. This city looks cool. Okay. This isn't that bad. No. Alright. This is like the transition when new destination is logged into ship. I thought I visit a new planet with that. Okay, that was so easy. Like, I barely had to move. And I found out the golden bolts give you like extra cosmetic things. Defeat the undead Grunthor. I'll get some new boots. Why not? Let's see what this is. Okay, we got a new little layout. I'm saying one fault, Mr. Fun Guy. Oh, hello. We're just gonna throw that out. Yep. Good job, starter pistol.
Wait, skeletal sand sharks? Swear I've had nightmares about these.
God, the starter pistol has done its work. I'll do this. Oh. That was so easy. Which, granted, it is the bronze cup, but it is so easy. Maybe I'm just really, really good. Okay, so that's locked. I guess I can't do that until later. Alright, well that was not bad at all. Now I guess let's go get jumped by whoever's waiting out here.
Quiet back there. Everything okay?
I may have slightly misrepresented the difficulties.
Sorry.
Oh yeah, it is all my or not all my guns. Some
Zergy is non-violent.
bunch of other guns over there.
Why does he have? I may have slightly misrepresented the difficulties of building a Dimensionator.
I mean, sure. We all knew it wasn't gonna be easy.
Yes.
All right, hello,
But
lady.
hold that thought.
Dreamed of tunneling straight to your
Drill hound.
Who's so cute?
Can we drill underground with this one, or do we shoot it?
Pull the fire trigger halfway to lock this burrowing adorable rocket launcher onto
Okay.
your filthy target. Pull it fully to launch. Upgrade to lock onto even.
That's interesting.
Come on back.
Got a
for
good bit of
upgrades when
Airtarium.
you
I really
level
like the
that up.
ricochet. I don't really feel too strongly about the drill hound. I really didn't feel that strong about that. Maybe I'll save and I'll just
That one is
upgrade.
just begging for an upgrade.
Bouncing it at the right time. Oh, I can actually time it? Sounds like I time it. Increase timing window. Okay, that's always helpful. And then yeah, it'll pop open. Good. I wish there was like some super mega upgrade for that. That would be cool. Alright, Mr. Fungi, what is this? When he leaves, he gets Toxic Cloud. Okay. Target him back? No, I don't want him to die. This is like an auto sentry. Increases how many times he can fire. Yep. Which I feel like I don't use him enough to justify this. But we did it anyway. That's all I'm gonna do. I don't want to risk. How many weapons do I have right now? Need 3.
Yes.
I'll leave this.
Phase quartz is
One of the rarest minerals in the universe.
Yep.
Right.
Rivet knows her stuff.
If you're here and can spare a moment or two, Trudy sure could use your help
Hello.
with sargassum.
Already did that one.
Trudy?
She's a friend. Probably has nothing to do with saving the dimension, but Mort wouldn't ask if it wasn't important.
Okay, so we do have some side objectives, it seems. It's an explosive. Throw it. Oh, hey, I could. Yeah, alright, where's this go? I feel like there was supposed to be something here. Oh, is it that? No. Maybe I have to. That's a golden bolt right there. So how do I get there? Maybe it's just supposed to let me see it. So. Oh, that almost had it. Oh, that's not playable? Oh, okay. Okay, well now that I've seen that, I want to try to get it. Where is it at? It's like right here.
Excellent.
Yeah. That's probably not how you're supposed to do it, but that's how we did it. Alright, here's the ship. Oh? Okay. Well, here he is.
I know I've been away for you know how long. So
He's gonna anger whoever actually runs this universe.
what have I been up to? Oh, just speaking with my adoring fans, enjoying my lovely scenery, and finding out that there are two insolent Lombaxes running around trying to ruin everything. So, I'm offering a bounty of 3 squillion nefarious freedom coupons.
That's a lot of freedom coupons.
Those fuzzy miscreants, dead or alive. But preferably alive, so I can have some fun with them first. My elaborate spy network indicates that they'll be at Blizzard and Savali very soon. So, get to it!
Uh-oh.
If those Lombaxes are listening, just know that I'm going to crush you into dust. And then I'll blast that dust into a sun, and then I'll dump that sun.
Oh, he's so angry.
Great. Now I'm on 2 nefarious hit lists.
And he knows where we are going. Oh, dear.
He's so angry. The Morts could use some help with their pet Trudy. Oh, we have 2 options. That's interesting. I guess we can go help. Go see what's happening. Sargasso. And let's see if this is going to be something really far out there. Alright, this is probably the pet right here. Yep. It's like a dragon.
Oh, hey there, Rivet. Oh, she's just hungry for Zerp stones.
Zerp stones?
Normally she nabs them from those rock islands up there, but I guess she's too tired to fly today.
Oh, well, that's easy.
Aw, up late partying again? Don't worry, I'll grab him.
Oh, you're a peach. We'll be waiting right here when you get back. Rivet will be back.
That shouldn't be too hard to get.
A Zerp stone! This is just what Trudy needs.
Oh, that's right, I forgot you can't double tap it. So I didn't use this. Go, go, go! Now can I just run through it? I can.
You did it, Rivet! That should be more than enough Zerp stones to get Trudy here chirping again. Head
Oh,
on
here we
back
go.
to the Gelatorium factory so we can
Up
thank
we
you
go. I definitely could see this being a race.
I know you like more. Trudy, look! Rivet brought you some Zerp stones!
It's a lot. Now let me fly her around.
If you ever wanted to grab some more, I'd consider trading those ranger boots behind me for them. I'll
Oh.
mark your map with all the Zerp stones in the area, just in case you're interested.
Oh boy.
If we wish to look now, I bet this
Oh. Yeah.
would prove quite useful.
Oh, that tasted pretty dark.
That's not happening.
How did that lucky little Zerp stay for you?
That's 100% not happening right now. That's a lot. Okay, it's just optional. Alright, so that's Ratchet. It's Rivet. Let's go back to Ratchet. Let's see what Ratchet's going. Savali. Yeah, blue armor back.
Where would I be?
Prophet Gary. Such a good looking skin. Alright. I think this will be a good spot to stop. This part's probably shorter than the other ones. But I think we made a lot of good progress here. Won the Bronze Cup. Now we are back with Ratchet. So I think we will pick up here next time. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope to see you in the next one.